Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and hope you're doing great. If you're new, my name is Banji. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel for natural hair guidance videos, wig making tutorials, cooking, and a little bit of everything. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I came up with this 4C Afro wig. If you love wearing your 4C hair out, but the texture does not allow you, this wig is meant for you. It's beginner friendly and so easy to maintain. So if you're so much interested, I can't keep you waiting. Let's get into it. So we are going to be using this type of attachment. It's called Afro Kinky crochet braid from Angels, and it is made in Nairobi, Kenya. So we are going to use this because it's going to give us that 4C look. It is really going to look like my hair or your hair in case you have 4C hair. So this is how it looks like, and we are going to just get a piece and start separating it. Disorganize this hair to look like your hair. No, not your hair. To look like my hair, because I don't know how your hair looks like, but this is exactly how my hair looks like. 4C. So separate it, and then when you reach at the end, just cut off that small end, because it's not going to give you what you want. Just it's not needed, so just cut off that part. Cut off, and then keep separating until it exactly looks like my hair. Check out my hair or your hair, but I don't know, I can't insist. My hair. So this is how the hair looks like, and it really looks like my hair. So we are going to cut it into 4. We are going to cut it into 4, and when you cut it into 4, it's still going to be big. It's long enough, apart from if you want maybe to hold a puff, that's when you cut it maybe into 2. But I just want an afro, the 70s afro, so that's why I cut it into 4. And then if you finish cutting, we are going to separate the hair. Separating the hair it's because of the crochet needle, so that you don't put a lot of pressure when you're crocheting. So just go on and separate it into 2 or 3. Then if you separate it into 3, just keep the spaces, the gaps between the 2 crochets a bit smaller, so that it looks packed like normal hair. So for crocheting, you know how to crochet, or you can keep watching slowly, and then it's so easy. It's easy to just catch up. So we are going to crochet the entire head. It doesn't have a pattern, it doesn't have any style. You don't have to say, like, you don't have to mind about where the hair looks, because it's going to just look like the afro. So I'm going to let you watch, and then we shall catch up in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to leave a comment. Do not forget to like and share. And also do not forget to hit that notification bell on your right, so that you get notified in case I upload a video. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Keep watching, and I love you. Take care. Bye bye. Let's meet in the next video.